Hello, everybody. It is I, Simmons. Oh, what the hell? All right, here we go.
No, just keep rolling it. Just keep rolling with it.
All right. So, hello, it's me, Simmons Hatfield, again with another video. Today, I am playing Risk of Rain 2 with my buddy. I'm playing with my buddy Skull. He just doesn't know how I do my recording, so he is streaming right now. I'll put a link in the description of his whatever he streams with. I don't know. But we're gonna play Risk of Rain 2. It's a new game, just came out. So, how you feeling,
still
buddy?
in beta.
Yeah.
Right.
Both of us have pretty much every single character unlocked, so...
No.
Oh, which character are you missing?
I'm missing 3 characters. I'm missing... I know the engineer and artificer, but I don't know about the third.
Alright, I have this one, this one.
I don't have that.
You don't have multi?
Nope.
He's the easiest... Okay.
I only have this one, and this one.
Yeah, this guy... Well, are you gonna... So you're gonna play Merc, then?
Yes.
Alright, so...
I love playing
both
Merc
of our
now.
characters have 2 different abilities. My character has an auto aim. His is the melee character. So this should be fun. Hopefully we don't die. Right. Okay, I'm gonna set the difficulty to rainstorm, I think.
Yeah, I was gonna say we should do.
Alright, ready up. Also, as I said in my last video, I will be gone July 1st to July 21st. So, hopefully you guys remind you of that. Alright, so what's the plan, Skull?
Don't die.
Besides that... Oh, bad guy. Oh, I know why I'm losing frames. Because I'm...
Really? You're losing?
Well, I'm losing a few frames. It's a little choppy here and there because of the, me having CSGO in the background going. Well, not active, but, you know what I mean.
No, I did my double jump too early.
The double jump is fun. I still think my character has the best sprint though, because I can teleport. Chest up here. I can't open.
You mean, your shift?
Yeah, my shift is awesome.
My shift.
Ooh, I got the teddy bear.
Teleport too. Teleport.
My shift's cooler though.
Wait, you got a teddy bear? Oh, you should have let me.
Sorry. Besides, your character is a tank. Mine.
Yeah, but I need.
Yeah,
Since
you
I'm
should
up
probably,
close.
you should probably have the teddy bears. Ooh, there's a medic drone down there. I see. I think I hit it. All right. That's awesome. So my even though my screen is still partially getting cut off, it isn't cutting off anything essential, which is nice for once. Because in my last video, it was cutting off a little bit of the top and a little bit of the bottom of my screen, and then it was really bad. Let's just say that.
Ooh, good.
That's a that's an open chest that you opened. You didn't see this one.
Yeah.
Eat my rain of death and arrows, because arrows hurt, I think. I have no idea. I like that. You're not. Okay. So what have you been up to lately, Lemon?
Not much, really. I mean...
Okay, what do you want? Do you want this or that?
I don't know what they are.
Okay, infusion. If I remember correctly, like you take.
Oh wait, no. Oh, sorry. I didn't realize that when you do them, it shows up what they are.
Yeah, I'll take the missile.
I'll take the infusion.
Alright, I'll take the missile then. Okay.
Yeah.
That was probably a waste of my ult, but it was so funny. How far you think? How long do you think we can go? I don't know how long.
As far as we can.
Yeah, I'm gonna see how long I'll be able to keep the recording up, which will be hopefully a while. Oh, I found the teleporter. Well, remember, since I'm recording, not streaming, I don't know, and it's based on how much memory I have, and since I can't... Normally, it shows me how much I'm using. It's not showing me that right now. Ooh, backup mags. Probably I should take.
Yeah, go ahead.
Because those are going to be useful for my character.
I have very fast cooldown. Healing drone.
Ow, ow, ow! Oh, thank God I have this.
I'll grab the other one.
Thank God I have this stupid teddy bear, otherwise I would have died. How many items you got? Oh, you have a goat hoof. Nice. Oh, I forgot both of our characters need speedy items. Your character's fast though, as it is. Oh no, don't! Oh, thank God. Do you want the shield or should I take it? That's kind of funny.
Yeah. I would like that. Actually,
Oh, I accidentally picked it up already. I don't even know what you said because you cut out again. But, yeah. So I will put whatever Skull uses in the description. I think it's Twitch?
yep.
Okay, that's what I figured. I'll put his Twitch in the description, so don't worry, guys. You guys can... you take that. Actually, wait. Do you need the soldier syringes? The syringes?
Let's see. Crits? That'd be nice.
No, the soldier syringes increase attack speed.
Actually, no, I do not.
Okay, then I'll take it. And I
I wanted the fuel cell.
Yeah, I shouldn't have done it. I shouldn't have done two at once. That was my bad. Also, I found the teleporter, so if you want to leave, we can leave. But there are still a bunch of
There's still chests.
Yeah, there's still a bunch. Plus, we haven't fully used all those. You want the Healy slug?
The Heelys. What's that?
The cautious slug. It heals you when there's no enemies around.
Sure. I'll
You probably want healing items. Here, come look at my character. Look where the backup mag is. It's on the back of my helmet. It's just taped to the back of my helmet. It's so silly. I like recording with people. This is more fun than my solo recordings because now I have other people who can laugh at my jokes, even how bad they are. Anybody watching the stream yet? Really?
You red.
Oh no! He's got brain stocks! His brain's being ripped out of his skull, I think.
And I got a syringe.
Yeah, now we both have syringes. I like how you got one syringe and you have like 4 sticking into your leg. Don't do drugs, kids. Drugs are bad.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are. Don't listen to him.
Listen to me.
Don't. Oh fuck! Help! That's a greater wisp. Run away! Run away! Shift. What the fuck? Did my computer just yell at me for using shift a bunch again? I bet it did. We should probably activate. Ow! 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 Oh yeah! Run away! I'm running away. I'm almost dead. No, go! Ah!
Don't worry, I'm here to help you.
No, my game just... I just got the thing about yelling at me for my shift key. And, it just pretty much froze my game out for a few seconds. Alright, we should probably get out of here.
Nah, there's still a couple of chests we haven't found.
Fuck it!
It's died, and I don't know how.
Yeah, I should not have the, other thing in the background. I may have to restart the recording. Or stop it at least, so I can, get rid of, stop having, left, whatever the game is called in my background running. Oh, why the hell does there have to be 5 things? Okay, note to self, never, ever. This is gonna go great. We're totally not fucked. Am I allowed to swear?
Or it's not.
Ow. Why don't I have a queue? Oh, fuck. Fuck, fuck, fuck. I am so fucked. So fucky, fucky, fuck. That's a ow. Run away. How much crap is behind me?
I can't turn around unless you turn around.
Oh, why did they have to spawn underneath me? Where'd she go? Oh, fudging. Oh, why the hell did she have to be over here? Die. Okay, now I just have to activate the teleporter. That's easy. Oh, fuck. Hide. Hide and heal. Oh, shit. I'm on fire. Why aren't your healing drones helping me? Oh, hey, my Discord's lighting up with notifications, apparently. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, items. Now we're talking! Come on, finish up. Yes, it's done! Run away! I'm gonna cry if I die right as the teleporter. Oh, that was close. Oh, you got the achievement verified. Now you have multi unlocked. Hello? Skull?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought you'd left me.
No.
I'm just gonna hide behind this wall. Oh, come on, stop lagging. Yeah, it might be good to see us go. Ugh. Well then, we have now reached the 10-minute mark. And we're only on the second level. This is sad. I think Skull died. It's very quiet today.
Back.
I'm taking this cautious slug. I need healing items. And speed. Oh, okay, that's a teleporter. Buddy, you there? Is everything okay? Skull. Macho, amigo, paleo. I heard him a second ago. You probably just can't talk right now. Everything is fine.
Wait, hold on. Were you talking to me?
Yeah, I was saying Skull, buddy. You there?
Sorry, I'm not really paying attention to you.
It's okay.
Sorry.
I was making a joke. It's fine. I know you're still there. I could hear somebody in the background at least. How many Luna coins do you have?
5.
Yeah, okay. Never mind then. How dare you? Oh crap, I didn't have the speed. Ow, fuck you. Queen. You're a jerk. I'm gonna tell you. Oh well shit, that was my ow.
Don't die.
I'm not dead. Got more life than you.
Girl. Hey.
Oh.
This is worth it.
We'll see how long we'll record. Who knows?
I am severely lacking on item.
Yeah, you probably should pick some up. And you got 2 cautious slugs in a couple times.
Yeah.
So I mean, you got some items.
You managed to get around everywhere faster than I do.
I don't even have a speed on them.
No, but I mean, like, you clearly get distracted less by enemies.
No, I get distracted by them. I also know that my character is weak and run away. Leaving you the enemies. That's my strategy. I mean, I haven't opened all the chests. That might be a lie, though.
I'll get another healing drone for us.
You want that? You want the royal capacitator?
Sorry, what was that?
I don't know. It shoots lightning, I think.
Yeah, just wait for me to get over there. I'm gonna kill this guy first.
Okay, I got icy guy up my ass right now, so it's okay.
Got game.
That and I'm frozen in a block of ice. Again.
Oh,
It's that thing. You can also hit friendlies as well as bad guys, so.
That's a key. Alright, I mean, so did you.
Don't hit me!
Oh well.
We have one rule. Don't hit Simmons, or whatever the hell people call me nowadays. I don't even know anymore.
You're Daviat. You are no. Actually, no. You're Chris.
No, I'm Daviat, Jelly, Simmons, and Chris. I have 5. That's 4. I can do math.
Ooh. I didn't actually mean to pick it up. It just ended up landing on me. But
that's
I
fine.
now have triple jump.
That's okay. Ooh, that's a desert chat. Oh,
3, 2, 3.
Hey, that's mine. Back off. I need speedy items. Actually, I need to. Oh, that works.
Yeah, there were 2 question marks. I just bought one of the question marks.
And we give me a second thingy. That's okay. We have so many healing drones. You own 3 and I own 1. This is kind of bad. We should probably activate the portable before we go the stupid mode.
Let me just give it one more once over in the middle area.
Okay. I think I got everything. So. Oh my god!
yep.
I'm sorry, I couldn't help it. I had to all of a sudden. Well, I saw your lightning. That kind of terrifies me that you have power over lightning. Are you turning... Skull, are you turning into Thor?
No. I only have the 1 lightning item.
Give it a minute. You're welcome, I just saved your butt.
No, I did my R, which for just flurry attack.
Okay, oh, well, that's your... What are we getting?
Oh,
No, Queen Beetle.
Beetle Queen again.
I feel like they're getting really repetitive lately. Like, they don't have anything else to know what to do lately.
No, I got frozen.
I'm sorry, I'm hiding up a tree right now. Literally. There, I helped. I'm trying to heal right now, personally. But these jerks keep making it difficult! I'm trying to also take out the poison, but oh god, Jesus help me. Why do I have a feeling there's 2 of them? I hope my lightning strikes are- Ow, ow, ow! That's poisonous! Screw you! Go away! Go away! Die, die, die! Think I had enough dyes in there?
What was that?
Do you think I said the word die enough?
Not nearly enough.
Oh, okay. Where's our sarcasm when we need him? Where's Jay?
Really need Jay here.
I don't know.
Both as sarcastic relief and just Jay is fun to play this game.
Yeah, Jay's pretty good at this game. We need Jay. Huh, we've been recording for 21 minutes apparently. Or at least according to me. Oh! I've used up. Oh! Huh, I have about. Okay, that's not all the space, but it's some space. Okay. Well, I can record for about 4.3 gigabytes. And then I'm out of space.
So, we're 9 minutes to 9.5 minutes too thing.
Not oh. Are you talking about that thingy?
Yeah.
Wait a second. Oh! Let's not do the altar of gold because that's stupid hard and we don't need that pain right now.
I did my Q on.
I've done the altar of gold before. It's really a lot easier with a full party and good gear. For those of you guys who don't know or haven't played the game, the altar of gold takes you to a really cool spot. It gives you a super hard boss to fight because he has his ability is you cannot hit him unless all the pillars are activated and the pillars run out of time. And he's really strong, but you can get some really good loot off him. So that's why a lot of people choose to fight him. Most of the time, usually it doesn't show up until you've completed done the loop. But apparently, I guess we were wrong. It showed up earlier. Finally, speed items
Chris.
for me. Yeah, what's up?
They didn't come here to watch gameplay.
They came here to watch 2 idiots be stupid. Got it.
That's true. Why do you think I titled my Payday 2 as Idiots?
I don't know what you just said. You kind of cut out.
I said, why do you think I titled my Payday series Payday 2 with Idiots?
Oh, so that's why you invited Loki, right?
Actually, no, I didn't invite Loki when with Idiot series.
Why is Loki too smart for that? Actually, yeah. What am I supposed to? Ooh, that's a good chest. Oh, I almost have one. Ah! Ow! I definitely did not just try to commit suicide. Suicide's bad. Don't do it.
Do it. Okay, gotcha.
Don't do it, you stupid. I'm going to kill you one of these days.
No, you're not.
No, if anyone I'm gonna kill, it's gonna be
It's
gonna be Loki,
much.
and it's gonna be. I'm gonna kill him, and I'm gonna regret it.
Should I activate the Shrine of Combat?
Go ahead. I'm nowhere near you. Have fun. Have fun storming the castle. Oh, you won't get that reference. You might get that reference actually. Have you seen Princess Bride?
Have I seen Princess Bride? Of course I've seen the Princess Bride.
I don't know.
I am not uncultured.
Good. I wonder if the super drone is on this map right now. You know which one I'm talking about, right?
Yeah, I know what you're talking.
That drone is freaking
Giant drone that will destroy everything for a...
Yeah.
It generally spawns the 6th time you come.
I've gotten it to spawn the first time I've been on this map. It just depends.
Really? Sorry,
Yeah.
I don't mean the 6th time. I mean like the 6th world.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I found the teleporter by complete accident.
I know. I found it earlier.
Okay. Let's see. Do I want a key, a slug? I want a teddy bear. Do I want a key or a slug or a teddy bear? I go teddy bear. Skull, don't die at me, Skull. Skull, I swear that if you die. Skull, if you die, there'll be no Christmas presents for you.
You didn't get me anything for Christmas.
I'm making a joke.
I died midair.
Of all the things I had to get, why did I have to get this worthless piece of junk? It's not okay. It's not
The radar.
Yeah, it's not worthless, but it's worthless at the same time.
You know, I really would have actually liked the help if you came over there to help me with that.
I'm sorry. I was busy doing other things.
Why?
I'm busy trying not to die. You guys can see definitely we're a great team. I think we're about to lose a healing drum.
Friend?
This is probably a terrible idea, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Oh wait, that's the portal. That's what I want to do. Alright, I got 2 bands, a fire and an ice thing. I should be fine, right? Right? Skull, do you believe in me?
Of course.
Holy crap, that's a lot of bad guys. I don't think you do. I'm scared. I wonder if anything can find me back here. Ow. I think guys are behind me. Did I not open the chest? It's useless, but I'll take it. Stuff that can attack shit.
I'll be right back.
Well, he's gone. Y'all can listen to me die. Probably. We'll see. Okay, maybe not. I have backup mags now. Okay. So, those of you guys watching me, so those of you guys in the stream or watching my video when it comes out, right now I'm just running for my life. So while Skull's gone, we're gonna see what I can find. If I could, I probably would pull up his Twitch stream, but I don't know how to. That, and I'm really lazy. I'll probably pull up it later. Okay, what's that? Oh, what's that next sound? I need more shift. I need more speed. Give me speed. I need speed. It does sound like wells. It's kind of creepy, actually. Can I go ahead and have now, items do stack, which is nice, and that doubles their ability. That feels in there. Where's it? Oh, it's been right there. Give me the question mark. Give me the question mark. Ah, we're better. That's not easy. Where are they? Oh wait, that's that. That's kind of funny. Yes, just what I needed. Come on, something good. Something good. It'll be better than nothing. Alright, let's do this. So we're about to take on the boss. This is either going to be A, the worst idea I've ever had, or B, the worst idea I've ever had. So, wish me luck! Level 14. 442 health. Mission time is insane. We're recording for the past 30 minutes and I haven't eaten dinner. Oh, yeah. Okay, this actually might not be so bad. Okay, maybe not. Eat my minigun, bitches. Got my money. And that's a wisp! Nope, nope, nope. I'm done. Goodbye. I'm gonna go live on a mountain, you know. I think I suit the quiet life, you know. You know, maybe the quiet life suits me. Kind of nice and oh my fudging God. Jesus, I never believed in you, but I do now. Would you please kindly, sir, help my life? I could use it. I guess I'm praying now to God. Money. That's what I need. Right after I did it. Oh God. I don't even know where the boss is at this point. Run away! Where can we go? Oh, there we go. Yeah! What's good? What good? How am I not dead? You know what? I'm gonna stop questioning the impossible and think I'm alive. Okay, I might be. No, Jesus. Run. Just run. Simmons, use those legs of yours. That's a demon. That's a demon! Oh, Lordy, save my soul. I never begged you for ounce, nothing once. Please, Lordy, help save my soul. I probably sound like a madman right now. Oh, I'm going mad right now. Okay. Oh, there you are.
I'm back.
Lordy, 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 help me, help me.
Are you dead yet?
Nope, I'm fighting 2 giant worms though.
Hmm.
I think I lost him. Oh. Oh, I hit something. Alright. Time for round 2. Yeah! Oh,
There's a lot of backup mags.
I know. It's kind of useful, actually. And there's both of them. Oh, one's dead! Yes! I killed one of the worms! I think I killed one of them, at least. Just gotta stay alive now. Why did I have to die before the one boss fight that wasn't a beetle queen? And my crop breakers. Oh! I beat the bosses! You know. Oh, that magma worm! Why, Jay? No, why? Why? No, I don't like that. I don't like that! Well,
You dead.
I think I'm gonna leave this video at that for the day.
Oh.
For me personally, you can keep streaming. I'm sorry, but I'm running low on space on my computer right now.
Oh my God! I got.
You got people watching?
I got multi. I got multi.
I told you you're gonna get multi. Alright, hold on.